Hey everyone, स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु फेरि पनि मेरो युट्युब च्यानलमा केही अब एपिसोडहरू मैले अन्य अन्य नर्सरीहरूमा पनि बनाउने कोसिस गरिरहेको छु। सायद तपाईँलाई मेरो नर्सरी मात्रै हेरेर वाक्कै लाग्यो होला भनेर अन्य नर्सरीहरू पनि बनाउन देखाउन लागिरहेको छु। यो भिडियो भने चाहिँ म इङ्ग्लिसमा बनाउन चाहन्छु बिकज देयर आर मेनी पिपल हु आर रिक्वेस्टिङ यु आर who have sent me request to make videos in English, so here is my blog in English. Uh, Today I'm here at Orchidarium of Lloyd Botanical Garden, which is in Darjeeling, and here is the collection of the species. There are various kind of species out here, especially the orchid species. And here I go with individual orchid species. This is the Cymedium trachinum, which is a terrestrial orchid, especially found in the trees and in the rocks. Also, in some cases they are lithophytic. They have amazing long raceme blooms which give up to 40 to 45 flowers in a single spike, along with Cymedium trachinum. You can see Cymedium trachinum is very pale yellow. They have light green, well, not pale yellow, light green also, whereas there is another species of Cymedium over here. This is Cymedium hookerianum, also known as Cymedium grandiflora, but Cymedium hookerianum is accepted name. You can see the bulb of Cymedium hookerianum has stripes, dark green stripes over the yellow. So this is how you can separate the two species, that is Cymedium trachinum, which has light green bulb, pseudo bulb, whereas you can see at the base of Cymedium hookerianum there is a stripe. And moving on to the next part of the orchidarium, we have Paphiopedilum insigne. Paphiopedilum insigne. And this is also known as lady slipper orchid, and it is protected by the Wildlife Act 1972. Moving on to the next species out here, this is this might be Epigenum broder, I think Dendrobium longipes. This is Dendrobium longipes. Okay, and they give single flower from each of the spike. You can see out here, from each bulb they give single flower, which comes from the middle of the portion. And moving on to the next one, there is Paphiopedilum insigne. Here we have some collections of another species of Cymedium. This is Cymedium epineum. It gives white flower, one or in some rare cases they give two flowers in one spike. So this is small plant, and it rarely gives two flowers in single spike. This is Mastivilla, another beautiful orchid but very hard to care. And this is Coelogyne barbata. Another one is Coelogyne ovalis. Here you have some single. Another one is Coelogyne barbata. Okay, so moving on to the next part, we have various. This is as obviously Cymedium epineum is there. Here, Paphiopedilum velocium. This is also another lady slipper orchid found which usually was found in hills, forest of hills, but today it's not available in the hills. You can see this is marked as Cymedium grandiflora, but it is not the accepted name. The original name for this one is Cymedium hookerianum, and it has amazing fragrance. This is Oberonia, and there are some Mastivilla at the bottom, and some again Paphiopedilum insigne. And another species of Paphiopedilum is over here. This is Hirsutissimum. It is purplish kind of, it gives purplish kind of flowers, and it's very beautiful to watch. Another Paphiopedilum species, that is Paphiopedilum spicerianum. This is amazing species of Coelogyne, that is Coelogyne gardneriana. And moving on to the next part, we have collections of orchids, trachinum. Okay, all of them are Paphiopedilum insigne. Various part you have Cymedium trachinum. From Cymedium trachinum, here Cymedium hookerianum is about to flower. It has got two spikes. Here they are flowering already. Okay, here you have Cymedium erythrium, amazing species again. Okay, this is Sobralia. It looks like grass, but it is not a grass. That is Sobralia amiciana. Okay. You can see the amazing flower of Cymedium grandiflora out here. See the light green with amazing leaves, very, you know, um, fragrance. It has got very good fragrance. And here is another species of Cymedium. There is Cymedium lovianum. Compared to Heucherianum and Trachinum, its pseudobulb is small one, short leaves, not long leaves like Heucherianum, but it also gives beautiful flowers. So there are some species of Cymedium. And moving on to this one was previously known as Vanda cylindrica or cylindrical vanda, but the now accepted name is Papilio nanthi Vishwasiana, Papilio nanthi Vishwasiana, or also known as Vanda teres. And you can see the flower spikes out here. Flower spikes, it gives beautiful white flowers. Okay, so these are some of the orchids you can see in the orchidarium of Lloyd Botanical Garden, that is situated at Darjeeling. There are many species inside, which is closed today because it's Sunday today, therefore you cannot see all the species. So I hope you like the video, and let me take you to the front part of this orchidarium. There are various species out here also, and some of them are very beautiful. This is you can see Bulbophyllum leopardinum is there, Cryptochilus lutea is there, and Selozani calceola, Selozani elata, Selozani oculata, the Sacranthus pallidus, very healthy plant, is there. Selozani elata is again there. Lysianium rotundatum is there. Okay, and various other species out here. Especially I like this species. If you want to see. Area coronaria, area vidata is one of my favorite species. It gives long spike, the cascade flowers. So it's one of my favorite flowers. Sorry. And moving on to the next part, we have area strict out here, which is in flowering stage, Bulbophyllum leopardinum, Valici, and many other species are here. As an orchid lover, you can come here anytime and visit this wonderful garden where you can find 100 of natural species of orchid which are found in the forest of hills and Darjeeling. Thank you so much, and bye bye.